Hello everyone, Carl here, and I'm starting a new training on SQL. I'm using a tool called Programmers, which seems quite nice. Go check it out. I should probably give credit to them using their tool. It seems online and free, and it seems like they do give interactive SQL courses, which is quite cool. Anyways, I've never done videos before, and I am going to teach you some basics of SQL over the coming weeks. The first lesson is going to be the structure of a basic SQL query. Now, every SQL query needs to have a select statement. You can just say select 1, and if we run it, we'll get 1. We can also say select 3 plus 3, and we'll get a new number 6. So it can work like a calculator. However, we do want to interact with data. And in order to interact with data, we need to tell it a table where we might want to get data from. So in this case, we're going to use customers. Customers has first name, last name, age, country, and customer ID. The first thing you realize is the select needs to stay and the from, but we can now say which columns we would like to have in our query. This is quite an interesting concept and super simple. You should not have a very big problem with this. So we say we want first name, last name, and let's say country. We don't care, and yeah, let's just add age as well. And if we run this, we will get all the data we had. If we'd like to filter, which is also super simple, let's say we only want to know customers who has the age over 28. So we only want to return John and Betty Doe. And we will just say, very simple, the where clause is your filtering clause, and we can use the where clause to just filter on any given field and age. So we can say where age is greater than 25, and let's say we only care about countries. So we want to only know where the country is equal to USA. Notice the single quotes. SQL uses single quotes in order to recognize strings. We will go into strings later. Strings in SQL being called varchar, or in fact just char. And if we run this, we only get USA, people from the USA. Thanks, that's my first video. I hope this super simple one was explanatory. Apparently it's good to, like and subscribe, so try it out. But for now, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll make more videos and see how it goes. It's my first one, as I mentioned. Cheers.